Hi, this is a pingenerator.com tutorial on how to create an image background text graphic. There's actually going to be a bonus in this, which is going to be showing you how to create a transparent overlay on top of an image. I'll explain what that is. It's a cool, useful effect that takes no time to do so. Okay, so you're going to log into your account, and then after you do and the image editor loads, you will see the file creation dialog box right here. And for this, you're going to click on Upload from Computer if you have a graphic that you're going to use. And here I have this photograph, which I'm going to select. A thumbnail, once you select that, a thumbnail will appear. You're going to use this bar to scroll down. Here's the image, and I'm going to click Open. For images that you are going to use, you're going to want to check out to see what size the image is in pixels. So what you're going to do is come up here to the Tool button, then under the Basics tab, go to Resize and click on that. Then what comes up will tell you how big your image is. This is 720 pixels wide by 960 tall. That's actually really big. For social media graphics and pinning site graphics, you really don't want either of those, if you can help it, to be over 800. And even that's high. You don't want it to be really under 300. That'll be too small, but you don't want them to be over 800 if you can help it. I'm going to change this. These are aspect ratio is set, so when I change one, it's automatically going to change the other. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to bring this down to 700. So the height is now 700 and the width is 525. I think that's pretty good. Click Resize, and it resizes it for you. So here I have this image. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to convert this to black and white from color. So come on over to the Tool button again. On the left-hand column, go down to Filters. Click on that. Just click black and white or grayscale. Simple as that. There it is. Now it's grayscale. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is create the transparent overlay. And the reason for that is because I'm going to use a white font on top of this. And as you can see, things are really light up here and down here. So when I add the white font, it's going to get washed out. So a cool effect, a way to get around that, is to come up here to the Tool button, go to Shapes, Rectangle. I'm going to close the toolbox, move this over. Here we have the shape. In the last tutorial, I don't know if you saw that, but this black isn't tremendously black. So I'm going to click on color. I just need to reset that for some reason. Click choose. All right, now it's a stark black. And I'm going to go over to this toggle and bring these over here like so. Drag that out that way. Activate it, click inside, activate it again. Drag that one. Drag this up here. Click on that. Drag this down here like so. Okay, so now we have two layers. If you look at this layer dialog box, the main image, which is the photograph, is underneath this rectangle just created. So they're both there, it's just the rectangle's covering it. So now, actually, click on the rectangle. Now what you're going to do is come over to this opacity slider and slide it to the left. Let go, check it there, make it a little darker, darker, lighter. And so you've made this, the black rectangle on top, more transparent or more opaque. A little lighter than that, 0.6. I'll do that. Okay, so now we have that. That's the transparent overlay, and it's the main image that was converted to black and white. So now what I'm going to do is add text on top of these. So we're going to, again, go to the toolbox, click on text. For this, I'll just use a handwriting font. I went over the fonts in the last tutorial, but I'll show you this real quick. These are the different categories of fonts. We have handwriting, and there are examples of handwriting fonts down here. Serif fonts, sans serif. Display fonts are very bold and are great for graphics, so you keep those in mind. Also, so here we have the category of font, display, all the names of the different fonts. In here, you have different pages of fonts. That's page 2 of the display fonts, page 3 of display fonts, page 4, and so on. Back to page 1. I'm going to use is, I'm going to go for a handwriting font, just for the heck of it. I'll grab this Gloria Hallelujah. Okay. Actually, I'm going to close the tools, move this over, and double click in this text box. Just write something to the effect of summer. Oops. There. Summer is made for relaxing by the lake. And that's really small, as you can see. So we come over to the font size slider and get that. Okay, that's pretty good. Click save. Kind of put this where I want it. There's that right there. Another thing you can do is, this is the cool thing about layers, is you can, if you want, you could create another shape. Go to shapes, rectangle. Okay, so here's this one. Opacity. Actually, set that black. Click choose. As you can see right now, the text is underneath this new transparent layer. Close the toolbox. All right. There we go. Yeah, actually, that's pretty cool. So that's a second transparent layer, which creates another level of opacity, as you can see. And that. Now we could add another font if we want. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, I need to move that. I will use, here's this, the slider is this white bar here. The scrolling slider. Architect's daughter, oh, click on that. Oh boy, nope, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see if this will work. If not, I'll use a different technique. Main image. Okay, cool. There we go. There's the second font. Now, if you're clicked on one of the text layers and you try to add a second font, all it's going to do when you choose the new font is change what's already there to the new font. You need to be on like main image or the rectangle and then pick a new font, and that'll bring this second font up for you to deal with and use. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to say like the August 4th. I'll just leave it at that. Put it like down here. Something like that. And that, and there. You know. And there's an example of a solid color background. I'm sorry, a image background text graphic. Now, to save something like this, what we're going to do is you can do one of two things. You can either come here to the tool button, click on that, go to Basics, and click on Merge. What that does is it collapses all of the other layers to this now. Now this is just one image. You cannot edit any of this. It has all been collapsed down. It's just one thing. And now we're going to come over here to Save. Right in this text field here, you can create a name for your image. You want to have JPEG selected. Under quality, 8. 8 is a good quality. You don't want to go much beneath that, but you can go higher to 10 or 12 if you want, but 8's perfectly good as it is. Click Save, and then the image will be saved to your downloads on your computer. You can go and retrieve it there and upload it to the pinning site of your choosing, or a social media site, depending on what you made. You know, graphics with lyrics, or your writing, or quotes, or the political stuff that everybody loves, or any combination of those. So yeah, that's how you make some cool text graphics on pingenerator.com. And it's free, so get in there and make some stuff. Thank you.